Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to all those who are new. Today I am just going to be doing another clean with me, so sit back, relax, grab a drink, a snack, and let's go ahead and get into it.
Like a honeybee taking off that really shouldn't fly. Like a snowflake falling down on a summer day. It's just amazing. It's a million to one, it really couldn't be. You're my kind of one of a kind. I'm gonna get out there and say it, 'cause there ain't gonna be one more like you, no. Ain't gonna be one more like you, no. Ain't gonna be. I could search high and low, but I know that there ain't gonna be one more like you, no. You're my kind of one of a kind, like a black swan swimming about in a sea of white. Like a bouncer Saturday night acting really nice. That can't be right. Like the most beautiful girl in the world hitting up your phone. It's so wrong. It's a million to one. It really couldn't be, really shouldn't be. You're my kind of one of a kind, yeah. I'm gonna get out there and say it, 'cause there ain't gonna be one more.
Okay, so you guys are gonna see me put up a book, and it's called Red Siren. And if you're not familiar with my channel, I am a young adult author, and that is my debut book coming out in July, so get excited for that. But it's called Red Siren, and it's all about mermaids, and it's kind of a darker tale on the Little Mermaid. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and begin cleaning up from breakfast. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe these dishes down along with the sink. But unfortunately, my neighbors from upstairs were walking so heavily that it was shaking the camera. And looking back on the footage, it made me nauseous, so I cut it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and clean these dishes before wiping down the counters.
You're my kind of one of a kind. You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness.
Okay, so you're gonna see me take my dog's dish away. This was around 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and she had already eaten that morning and had a little bit left over in her dish. I do not let my dog kind of nibble all day, so I do take it away from her, but don't think she hasn't been fed. She has. She just had a little bit left she was grazing on.
Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo keep on driving, we just do what we wanna do. Hey, play songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know house. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long, be with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little.
And for the last part of this video, I'm going to go ahead and fold this huge amount of like towels and laundry. My camera actually died during this, so this is actually the last clip of the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure to share it with a friend to share some cleaning motivation. But I'll see you guys in my next one, and bye!
The memory of you just come running back. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. 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 I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken,